They have given us this frustum. So basically what you need to think of, or the simplest way that you can use or you can do to find the height of the frustum here, or the steps, whenever you've been given any frustum, the steps to answer exam question, you just get the two heights, you add them. So the height of the frustum plus the height of what has been cut over the radius of the cone is equal to the height of what has been cut over the height of, the radius of where the frustum has been cut. I guess this makes sense to you. You know, this frustum was full before it was cut. So its height was this plus this. You add them. And the radius of the cone before it was cut, it was 8 centimeters. So you add these two over the radius of the cone. And when you do that, you say equal to, now you go to the smaller cone, this where it has been cut, up here. So you say the height of what has been cut over the radius where it was cut. So this is what we have, and it's what will help us solve for h. So here we can say h plus 9 over 8 is equal to 3 into 3, 1, into 9, it's a 3. So we shall have a 3 over a 1. We now cross multiply, so it will be like this. H plus 9 times a 1, it will be h plus a 9, which is equal to 8 times 3, it will give us a 24. We group the like terms, 24 minus a 9. So h will be equal to a 15. So the value of h is 15 centimeters. Okay, so here it's 15 centimeters. So now for question 2 or question B2, to calculate the volume of the bin, B, C, D, E. So we're going to use the formula. Volume is equal to 1 over 3. Remember, we are dealing with a frustum, a conical frustum. So 1 over 3, or we say pi over 3, open bracket, capital R squared, H, minus small letter r squared, small letter h. Okay? So what is our, okay, first let's gather our data so that it becomes easier. So when you see that the frustum that you're dealing with is from the cone, you use this formula to find volume. So what is our capital R? It will be 8 centimeters, which is right here, the radius. Capital H will be found by adding 15 plus 9. What is 15 plus 9? So when you say 15 plus 9, of course, you are getting your answer to be equal to, a 24. So it's giving us a 24, meaning the height from this point up to the end here, the total height is a 24. Small letter r will be the radius where this frustum was cut. It's a 3 centimeters, while small letter h, the height of the part which has been cut, it's 9 centimeters. So we've got our data here, so we can now solve. So capital letter R, it's 8, so 8 squared times capital letter H, it's a 24, minus small letter r, it's a 3 squared times capital letter, small letter h, it's a 9. So just do your proper mathematics here. What is 8 squared? So when we say 8 squared, of course we are getting a 64. So 8 squared, it's a 64 times 24 there, minus 9 times a 9. Okay? So of course from this step, let me erase. I'm running out of space. Let me erase so that we see what we can do. So now from this stage, we can say we've got pi over 3, open bracket, 64 times 24 minus 9 times a 9. This, of course, will be pi over 3 times, we multiply 64 times 24. This, of course, is giving us a 1,536 minus 9 times 9 is giving us 81. So minus 81 there, when we subtract, we're getting pi over 3 is equal to 1455. Now remember, here they said we use pi as 3.142. So we shall say 3.142 times 1455 over a 3. So when we multiply by 3.142, it's giving us a 4,000. So 4,571.61. We divide by 3. So divide by 3. The answer here is coming out to be equal to 1,523.87 centimeters cubed. This is the volume we're finding. So this is our answer. Thank you.